Hey everyone, let's dive into our video topic. Currently, Snapchat doesn't provide an active status feature, so you can't directly see if someone is online at a particular moment. Nevertheless, I've got a couple of tricks for you. Firstly, try to send the person a message. Once sent, if it shows as delivered, it means the person is either online or offline but hasn't seen the message. However, if there is an option for the message being opened or seen, it implies that the person has indeed seen the message, suggesting they are online. Another approach is to check the Snap Map. If the person has activated it, you can see their location and the info their activity status. Keep in mind that Snap Map visibility is subject to their user settings. While Snapchat keeps the activity status private, these tricks might give you some insights. And that is a wrap on how to find out if someone is online on Snapchat. Thank you a bunch for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and goodbye.